We will study about types of lines. Basically, there are three types of lines which we are going to do today. The very first is parallel lines. Okay, let's not write like this, let's write like this. Which alphabet is coming again and again? This L is coming again and again. So these L, if you extend these L, will they meet? Will they meet? No, they will not meet. So parallel lines are those lines that never meet. They are always at the same distance. उनके बीच का distance क्या होता है? Same होता है. So they are always at the same distance. अगर distance same नहीं होगा, see, अगर distance same नहीं होगा, these are two lines. अब इसमें distance पहले ज़्यादा था, फिर कम हो गया, and then again it is less. So they will meet, eventually meet. The parallel lines never meet. You take anything around you. For example, take your school almanac. These two edges are parallel edges. These two edges are also parallel. If you will extend them, they will never meet. Parallel lines are everywhere, whether it is railing or opposite edges of a window pane. Parallel lines can also be found on the door. It's now your turn to find out more. Let's learn about intersecting lines. So inter, as the word is saying, what is the meaning of inter? Inter means between or among two groups or three groups. So inter means between or among groups. Sect means parts. Sect means parts. Lines that cross each other at a point and make parts, they are called intersecting lines. This line is going here and this line is going here and they have intersected here, then these two lines are called intersecting lines. And this point is called point of intersection. What is this called? Point of intersection. मुझे तो ये वर्ड ही बहुत अजीब लगता है, इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस. ऐसा लगता है अभी लड़ाई शुरू होएगी. So you can also imagine in your mind intersecting lines, or you can break the word. Inter means among, sect means parts. So line which is dividing into parts is called intersecting lines. Simple and easy to learn. Tell me about these two lines. What do you think? These are intersecting lines or not? You know, many children think that these are not intersecting lines because they are not meeting. But if I'm extending this line here and this line will go here, so they will meet and they will intersect. So these two lines are also intersecting lines. It is like you have attached a heavy weight to any thread or any string and you are hanging that string. अगर आप जैसे कोई गेम खेलते हो, आपने कोई हैवी चीज ली और आपने एक रोप पे बांधी और आप उसको हैंग करते हो, तो वो एक टाइम के बाद आके वो एकदम स्टिफ हो जाती है, वो बिल्कुल एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बन जाती है, स्ट्रेट स्टैंडिंग लाइन. So that standing line shows, that is like a plumb line. That is called a plumb line. So perpendicular line means a line which is standing on another line at a appropriate distance, proper distance. So when you are seeing these lines, you can see this distance is different and this is different. This is less and this is more. Okay. And how about this? This is same. These two are. So these two are same. This is L, this is L, this is also L, this is also L. What about this? This is L, this is L, L or L. And is this making a L? No, this is more and this is less. This is more, this is less. And all these lines are intersecting because they are cutting each other. They are having parts. But these two lines are perpendicular lines because these are cutting at the appropriate distance, and this appropriate distance is called right angle. What is that called? Right angle. This L means right angle. L means right angle. So if you say ki no ma'am, this is not right angle, now you see this, is it L? L on all the four sides. L on all the four sides. L here, L here, L here, L here. It means right angle here, right angle here, right angle here, right angle here. If you look around, you will find many examples of intersecting lines in your daily life. Now let's see some alphabets and find out which sort of lines they have. So this is, if you see, these are only intersecting lines. We do not have any L here. So these are only intersecting lines. This line is also intersecting, this line is also intersecting with this line, and this line is intersecting with this line. How about this? This line is parallel to this line. This line is parallel to this line and parallel to this line. This is a curved line, so we cannot take. If we write D like this, then we have intersecting lines. If we write D like this, then there are no lines. No, then there is no intersection, because whenever we are talking about intersecting lines, we have to draw straight lines. Now how about this? This line, and this line are very good parallel lines, and this line is intersecting with this line. This line is intersecting with this line, and this line is intersecting with this line. Now are they making L? Now are they making L? They are making L. Yes. So these are perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Okay, how about this? L again, L again. So this line is perpendicular to this. This line is perpendicular to this. This line is perpendicular to this. L, 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 L. Are there any parallel lines here? Yes, this line is parallel to this line, is parallel to this line. This line is parallel to this line, is parallel to these lines. These lines will not meet. अगर मैं इनको आगे बढ़ा देती हूँ, तो they will not meet. So this are parallel lines, and this are parallel lines. Okay. Now see H, vertical lines of H. These are parallel lines. If I see this and this, then this is L, this and this, it is L again. So this line and these two lines are perpendicular lines. Now you try to find out about these alphabets on your own.